It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she wanna.
Hey my lovies, I'm back with you all again with another review. This review is from a company that I've reviewed on my channel multiple times before, called Maange. I really like this company and I do appreciate them choosing me to work with again. So yeah, this is their 18 color highly pigmented texture shadow palette. I love the way this palette looks. It's like rose gold glittery, so pretty. So I'm gonna open it and show you all. Maange is highly affordable. If you're just starting off, doing makeup, I do highly recommend their brand. They have some awesome stuff on Amazon. So this is how the palette looks. Beautiful colors. And this palette retails for $10 on Amazon.com, which is definitely worth it in my opinion. It does have a 4.2 out of 5 rating on Amazon. And the package, well, the shadow, eyeshadow palette includes 10 matte colors. And it also includes 8 shimmer eyeshadows as well. And for those that want to know, it is not tested on animals. So yeah, I'm gonna swatch some of the colors for you lovies. And as you can see, they are highly pigmented. I love, like I said, I love their palettes. I love their products, period. But this color here is called Rose Valve. If y'all can see. This one on my middle finger is called Vampire. And then this one is called Cashmere. So I'm going to swatch this kind of like green, which is there. Kind of coming off on camera as a gold, but it's this color here. This is kind of like greenish gold. So yeah, this is the palette from Maange. Definitely check them out. Like I said, if you're someone who's just getting into makeup and you don't want to spend an arm and a leg on makeup, definitely check them out. They have brushes, they have eyeliners, like real pigmented black eyeliners. They have all types of eyeshadow palettes. They have different things that they can offer at a very affordable price. So definitely check them out on Amazon. I will link them down below in the description box, so check down there. And if it's any coupon codes that I have for you lovies, it will be down below. Thank you all for viewing, and I will see you in the next video.